Still using sealess pumps? With frequent maintenance and repairs, the downtime and cost to an organization is brutal. Decoupling of the internal magnets is one problem. Energy inefficiency is another. But the giant killer is an improperly sized pump system. There's got to be a better way. After years of successful resolutions to such issues, we have the solution for you. At MDM, we manufacture efficient, non-metallic centrifugal pumps using engineered corrosion-resistant plastics and best practice selection to solve corrosive fluid handling issues. Our proprietary seal design assures fluid purity and extended life. How does this impact your operation? Minimized downtime means improved production throughput. Naturally, less time and money spent on maintenance. And of course, no more stress. Inquire now. Let our application specialists guide you through selecting the right pump.